Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a close look at the Miele Triflex HX2 cat and dog cordless stick vacuum cleaner, a high-performance machine that promises to make cleaning your home easier and more efficient. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or just need a versatile vacuum for various surfaces, the Triflex HX2 could be just the tool you need. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The Miele Triflex HX2 is designed to bring the power of a full-sized vacuum into a lightweight, cordless form. It boasts a standout feature, the patented 3-in-1 design, which allows you to seamlessly switch between comfort, reach, and compact modes. This flexibility makes it easy to tackle different cleaning scenarios, whether you're cleaning floors, upholstery, or hard-to-reach spots. The comfort mode places the motor at the top for easy handling. The reach mode positions it in the middle to help you clean floors effortlessly. And the compact mode allows you to transform the vacuum into a handheld device for quick cleanups or cleaning your car. The vacuum offers up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted runtime, thanks to its 2 replaceable Varta Li-ion batteries. These batteries provide ample cleaning time, making it ideal for larger homes or spaces that require extended use. And when it comes to maintenance, Miele ensures that the filter is a breeze to manage with its maintenance-free HEPA lifetime filter. This filter captures 99.99% of dust, allergens, and viruses, which makes it perfect for allergy sufferers and pet owners alike. The vacuum also includes a wall mount and an accessory holder for easy storage, along with an SBD20 upholstery nozzle and a crevice nozzle for tackling detailed areas. One of the standout features of the Triflex HX2 is its automatic floor detection. This means the vacuum's electrobrush automatically adjusts to the type of surface you're cleaning, whether it's carpet, hard floors, or upholstery. The brilliant LED headlight helps illuminate dirt and debris, especially in low-light areas, ensuring you don't miss anything. The compact electrobrush also excels at picking up pet hair and lint from your upholstery, which is a real bonus for pet owners. In real-world testing, the Miele Triflex HX2 shows its true versatility. In comfort mode, it feels incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver across hardwood floors, effortlessly picking up dust and dirt. On carpets, the automatic floor detection kicked in, adjusting the suction power to ensure a thorough clean without damaging the fibers. Using the compact electrobrush to clean upholstery was a breeze, as it efficiently removed pet hair and lint, leaving surfaces spotless. The reach and compact modes make cleaning high and tight spaces a lot easier, and the crevice nozzle did wonders for getting into those tricky corners. However, it's not without its minor drawbacks. While the runtime is generally impressive, you may find the battery life drops slightly in higher power modes, especially when using the electrobrush. And while the vacuum is lightweight, it may not be as easy to handle for those with limited strength, especially when switching between modes or carrying it around for extended periods. The suction power is solid, but some users might find that it needs a bit more oomph on particularly thick carpets. It's also worth noting that the vacuum can be a bit noisy, especially when operating at full power, but it's nothing out of the ordinary for a vacuum of this type. When it comes to value for money, the Miele Triflex HX2 holds up well in terms of performance and features, though it's certainly on the higher end of the price spectrum. Compared to similar cordless stick vacuums, such as the Dyson V11 or the Shark IZ462H, the Triflex HX2 offers a similar level of versatility and performance, but with the added benefit of its patented 3-in-1 design. The inclusion of the HEPA filter and the automatic floor detection further elevates its appeal, particularly for those with allergies or pets. If you're considering alternatives, the Dyson V15 Detect could be a worthy competitor, offering strong suction and an innovative laser light to detect dust. On the other hand, the Shark Vertex Duo Clean is another solid contender, particularly if you're looking for a vacuum that excels on both hard floors and carpets, and offers a more affordable price tag. Both options have their merits, but the Miele Triflex HX2 stands out with its unique 3-in-1 flexibility and advanced filtration system. In terms of build quality, Miele has a reputation for producing durable, well-constructed appliances, and the Triflex HX2 is no exception. The materials used feel premium, and the vacuum itself feels sturdy and solid. The attachments are easy to click on and off, and the hose connections are secure. Maintenance is simple, with a HEPA filter designed to last a lifetime. And the dustbin is easy to empty without making a mess. One minor downside is that cleaning the brush roll, especially if you're dealing with long pet hair, can be a bit time-consuming, but it's a manageable task. As for customer support, Miele has a solid reputation for offering reliable service and support. Their website provides helpful resources for troubleshooting, and their customer service team is responsive should you run into any issues. Overall, the Miele Triflex HX2 cat and dog cordless stick vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice for those who want a high-performance vacuum with plenty of versatility. Whether you need something lightweight for quick cleanups, a vacuum that can handle multiple surfaces, or a pet-friendly option with superior filtration, the Triflex HX2 has you covered. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option, it offers a range of features that will appeal to homeowners looking for a reliable and powerful cordless vacuum. If you're in the market for a vacuum that can handle everything from hard floors to carpets, upholstery, and pet hair, the Miele Triflex HX2 might be exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the comments for the link to get your own. If you have any questions or experiences with the vacuum, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye till next time, and don't let the dust pile up.